So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a US dollar account, a British pounds account using a Payoneer. Payoneer is an international payment gateway that can help you to send money online and receive money as well, and also manage your digital business. Payoneer opens up a whole new world of business opportunities for freelancers and people who want to make money online. So before you can receive funds, you need to create an account with Payoneer. To create a Payoneer account, you go to payoneer.com, as you can see here, payoneer.com. Then you click on Get Started. So I'm going to create an example account for someone so that you can use the steps to create your own account. So when you click on Get Started, you click on go to Individuals, click on Individuals. Then you click on Get Paid by International Clients or Marketplaces. And then you click on Register. Click on Register. Okay, and when you get to this sign up page, it says select your type, the type of business. You leave it as individual, and then you put first name. Put your first name, put your last name. If you have a middle name, you can put it after the first name like this. If you have a middle name, then you put in your email address. Put in your email address. And when you do that, you repeat the email, re-enter the email. Okay, then date of birth, you put your date of birth as it is on your government ID. All right, and then you cross-check that everything is fine and everything is correct. Then you click on next. When you click on next, it takes you to the next page. You have to input your address. Right. You put your zip code. You can find your zip code, your postal zip code online. If you don't know it, just go on Google and try to do a quick Google search to find the postal code for the place, the address I'm putting in. So once you found that, you input it here. Okay, so you put the phone number, put your phone number here, a valid phone number is 7. Okay, ensure that it is correct before you request for a code. I'm waiting for the code to arrive so I can proceed to the next step. All right, the verification code is here. So you quickly input that and click on next. Okay, and click on next. When you do that, it will take you to the next place where you put in your password. So you put in a password you can remember. And then when you finish putting your password, you put in your security question. Select any of the security question here. Just choose anyone you feel you can remember. So yeah, I'm just putting anything there. Make sure you put what is correct there for your security question. And then for the national ID, you can put in your national ID number. Put in your national ID number. All right, make sure it is correct. Make sure the national ID number is correct. And then you put in the code you see here under. When you finish putting the code, you click on the next button. Okay, code was invalid, so let's try it again. 442WE. All right, click on next. So this is where you put a bank account. This is where you put your bank account details for your Nigerian bank. You can select any bank of your choice. Put in your bank details there. Okay, you put in your bank name, then put in your bank account number. Then click on I agree to the terms and conditions. I agree to the pricing and fees. Then click on submit. All right. Once you get to this stage, shows congratulations. Your review is in progress. Your account is in progress. And they usually confirm your account within 3 business days, or it can be activated before that. But after you do this, after you get to this stage, you have to go to your email and confirm your email address. Just verify your email address. Go to your email, you see an email from Payoneer. So you verify your email address. Once you do that, then you will now try to sign in. All right. Once you've gone to your email address and verified it, you now try to sign in. So I've verified the email address for the account I'm creating. I'm going to try to sign in now with the details of the account I just created so that I can complete the registration inside the app. Trying to sign in now so I can complete the registration inside Payoneer. So I have to do two-step verification. So they'll send a code to the phone number you added on the account. They'll send a code to the phone number you added on the account for two-factor authentication. So I'm waiting for the code to arrive so I can input it. I'm waiting for the code to arrive so I can input it. Once you get the code, you input the code in the box provided and then click on submit. Copy your recovery phrase and click OK. You can screenshot it, you can snap it, keep it safe. So wait for it to load. So you click on update now to update account security. It will take you to a place where you update your security questions. So what's your paternal grandmother's first name? Just want to use generic. What's your older siblings? Choose your security questions you want, All right, and then click on change. They'll send another code to the phone number associated with the account. Wait for that code to arrive. And then we'll input the code. 765642, then click submit. All right, so security settings done. Let's go. You're all set up. All right, so it's now loading the Payoneer account. So you have information to submit in verification center. Click submit now. All right, let's see. So for the verification center right now, they require that you submit a government issued ID card and a selfie with today's date. Before, this verification part was not there, so this is new. This is a new format they're using now to verify accounts. So you submit your government issued ID. Nigeria, what you can use here is your passport or driver's license, either your international passport or driver's license. You can upload it and submit. Upload it and submit. So if you don't have your international passport, you need to go and get one. Once you do that, you take a selfie of yourself with today's date. You submit a high quality photo of yourself taken in the past 3 days, holding a sheet of paper with the date. You take the photo and hand. Sorry, let me read it again. It says submit a high quality photo of yourself taken in the past 3 days, holding up a sheet of paper with the date you take the photo and written on it. Your face and the date should be clearly visible. You snap that and submit here, and then your account will be verified. Once your account is verified, your US dollar and UK British pound account will be opened here. You can see it here. You can copy details and use it on any marketplace like Fiverr and Upwork. And use it to withdraw your TikTok earnings, use it to withdraw your Popo Live earnings, your Bigo Live earnings. In fact, so many marketplaces, even on Amazon, you can use it to accept payment. So this is Payoneer, an international payment system that enables people in Africa and other places to earn money online, to receive money and send money online. So if you've not created yours, go ahead and create yours now and leave any questions that you may have in the comment section. Leave any questions you may have in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.